Welcome to another video. We woke up in Reykjavik, the sun is shining, it is our first day in Iceland and we are ready for some new adventures. Our plan for the day is warm up with some walking around the city and then do the whale watching tour, and since the sun never stops shining during the summer, we're going to do an evening hike. Feel free to tag along. We start our day at the Hilton Parliament Hotel, but before we start, the good luck dance.
Before leaving the hotel, how to keep your card key safe. Follow me for more tips. Last night we were walking in this area and it was totally different place. Drunk people everywhere. And today, so peaceful. Well, today we're excited because we're going to watch some whales. The first time I watched some whales, or actually was in Alaska, but it was from far. So hopefully today we're going to see some close-ups. I'm pretty excited for these type of activities. And so is she. It's really beautiful how you can see on the other side of the water. The mountain and the clouds just hanging there. The Harbour Museum, beautiful building. Whale watching. This gives me the typical American harbor scenery. We're going to take a 3-hour tour on that boat. It is going to be exciting. As you can see, a beautiful sunny day. Right now it's like almost 11 in the morning. What amazed me when sleeping, the sun was kind of shining, or you can still see the sky was bright the whole night. So I never experienced that before. For the option, I think you can also go with those smaller boats, which you can be closer to the whales. But we're taking the big one. Let's see how it goes. She took her pills. Excited?
Yes, I did.
She was dreaming about
I've
whales.
been dreaming about this for months, guys. You don't understand.
What's the probability of going on a tour and not seeing any whales?
Oh. No negativity.
Spot the red flag.
And off we go on the €95 per person whale watching tour. This tour has a duration of 3 hours and the weather was perfect, so basically we chose the upper deck. We were greeted by blue skies and surrounding mountains, and I was already peeking at the water if I can spot any whales. It took us 45 minutes to find the whales in the area they were spotted that day, and from afar you can see the whale pumps. They looked like geysers. We were extremely happy and grateful to be able to watch some humpback whales that day and from up close. Keep in mind that this is not a zoo, so watching whales is not guaranteed in the wild. See the green structure in the background? We were headed there after the tour.
This boat looks like a icebreaker. We just finished the whale watching tour. It was really awesome, but to be honest I was a bit jealous because Sarah sleeps next to a whale every day and she still wants to watch other whales, man. So that explains the jealousy. It's pretty calm in the harbor, but you see, this caught my attention. It looks like one of the Viking boats, recreated of course. Brand new pieces of wood. We've been walking 20 minutes in the harbor alone,
Pufa, yeah.
just to find something like a structure.
If you're looking for this structure on Google Maps, it is called Pufa. I don't know if I've pronounced it right, but on top of the structure you'll find a hut with fermented fish, and this is typically something Icelandic, that they eat fermented sharks and fish. And it stinks, guys. Beware.
I think the fishes, they let them out to dry and they eat them like a delicacy. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments.
I think that the smelly fish hut had an impact on us, because immediately we went to get 2 fish and chips and 2 cola, in which we paid 54 euros. Well, we cannot complain because these are the prices in Iceland. On our way walking back to the hotel, we saw a bakery and we had to stop.
It's really good.
After the bakery, we headed back to the hotel because we had something important planned. Well, the plan was to nap. Naps are important, guys. But also, you know what is important? Souvenir shopping. So we stopped by the souvenir and then we went back to the hotel. In the evening, we had an evening hike planned.
We're going to see if we can hike Mount Elshna for the sunset. Let's go. Left right. Oh, I can already hear waterfall. We're totally escaping the city of Reykjavik. Not escaping, but you know, ending the night with a relaxing hike. Feels like the cloud is just hanging there. This is the reward. Steep incline. We've been climbing for 20 minutes now. You can hear I'm clearly out of breath, sweaty. The beautiful thing is that in between the clouds there are little holes where the sun shines, creating different spots of colors brighter than the other. And while we're hiking, we're surrounded with the noise of running water. But just keep hiking. Where we started, there's many flies chasing me. Brown sugar. This is a 9 o'clock hike. Sun is still out, chasing the clouds. It feels like we can touch it actually. People running down the trail. I think the local people use this as a workout session. Now we reached higher and the cloud is basically blocking our view. And we can barely see our car. 9:30 hike. Chasing the clouds. Valhalla. You can only see the mountaintops. The clouds are and barely some sunshine. The clouds are going by, just passing by the minute, blocking everything. 1 minute you can see everything, the next is totally white. It's impressive. And almost 10. And suddenly the clouds are gone. There's a bit of snow over there. You can feel the breeze. My warrior. Out of breath, but You need to take a minute to appreciate clouds from one side meeting the clouds from the other side. We're going down on a decent speed. The clouds are beneath us. Almost 11 o'clock. Still some lights, and we still have a long way to go. We finished our hike 11:30, and there is still a bit of sun.